Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the Rumble Studio and where from you will get the Rumble Studio. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to this upload icon. So we have to click on the upload, and now as you can see, has the option for the Rumble Studio. So we have to click on the Rumble Studio, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be redirected to this page like this. So if you want to cut this one, you can also do that. And if you want to earn using Rumble Studio, you have to complete this campaign. So as you can see now, start now. If you want to start your live streaming, so you can also start that from here, schedule the stream, premium video. So as you can see, if you want to start your video, you can also do that. Some different types of options are provided here like this one, and you can edit and create these things all here, and the video option, you will get the video options here. So all things are provided here. You can use this Rumble Studio in this way. As you can see, these all things are provided, and the earnings are also mentioned here. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the Rumble Studio. So see you guys in the next video.